Hello and welcome friends. Today in this video we are going to talk about Apple iPhone 13. I've purchased this from Amazon. We'll do a quick unboxing and see the stuff inside. However, before we do that, please hit the subscribe button and like the video if you do. I've observed that a lot of people are visiting the videos, watching the videos but not subscribing to the channel. So quickly, let's begin with the unboxing. So this is the box. We'll quickly open it up. Okay, this is purchased from Amazon. So here there's this strip which we need to remove to unbox. So let's quickly do this. So here this is the strip. We need to remove this strip. Okay, so here is the iPhone. Wow, this looks so nice. Superb. Let's quickly unbox this. So this is our iPhone. Looks great. Okay, so this is black in color. I've ordered it. I got this for 67,000 from Amazon, and we'll quickly try to turn it on. While it begins, we'll do a complete review of this phone and share it with you guys in the next video. Okay, so this was just the unboxing. This phone looks awesome in hand. Alright, so let's have a look at the box. What we have in here is the charging cable. Here there's this small thing, Apple design in California. What we have inside is the Apple sticker, and what we also have is the SIM ejector pin. What I've also done is I've ordered the adapter from Amazon for 2,000 rupees. Okay, so that's about it in the box. So I've turned the phone on and I'll do a complete review of the phone once I've set it up. I'll put in a SIM card and set it up and see how it works. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.